Okay, time for another Coach Rob video. This is an unboxing video this time. And what we have here is an Amazon product, and it's called a bench. They call it a bench scraper or kitchen, like cutting board scraper. You would use it in an industrial kitchen. But since I'm a condo here, I do have fairly big size cutting boards, and I thought I'd pick one up. And what it's used for is when you're doing work with like on a cutting board with flour or any, or not necessarily flour, like when you cut it, when you want to cut things or scrape things off, like you would have it on the cutting board and scrape like that, or you can use it to chop and cut pastry and stuff. So this was one of the Amazon ones, and it was like about, how much was it? About $13. And you can see it does have a bit of a sharp blade here, and it's got the numbers on for measuring. That's in inches, which is kind of unique. We have them at work, but I haven't seen one with the numbers on. So once again, like if this was your, like you're working on your cutting board, you want to like move things to the side or chop to cut your pastry and stuff, that's what you would use. So this is just a real short video today. So please like and subscribe, and we're going to do more Canucks videos when we have time. And so yeah, so have a great evening, everyone. And yeah, this was a super short one, once again from Amazon.ca. Thank you.